Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Preeti Maggo and I make videos basically about makeup, lifestyle, travel, baby care, parenting and so many other things. In this video, I'm gonna be showing some of my recent haul from Nykaa. So I have hauled quite a few things from Nykaa. From luxury store as well as the other one. So as you can tell, I have not applied anything on my face right now, not even a single layer. So I'm gonna be putting everything in front of you guys and also reviewing. So the first thing I've got is this MAC Strobe Cream. This one is the ultimate quick fix for the skin. This boosts dull and tired looking skin. It gives your skin the glow from within kind of effect and also smells amazing. So my points are 10 on 10 to this one, but a quick tip is if you have a dry skin, definitely use a moisturizer under it, otherwise it will not stay on it. Next thing I got is this Smashbox PHOTOFINISH primer. Every YouTuber, a big YouTuber actually talked about this product, like Nikki, Jacqueline Hill, everybody. And I wanted to have my hands on it and finally I've got one. And all the claims are actually absolutely true. It really blurs out all the pores. It felt silicone on my face. It's like a facial spa to me. And the foundation stayed really long after using it. 10 on 10 again. So the next thing I got is this Estee Lauder Double Wear Maximum Cover Camouflage Makeup for Face and Body with the SPF 15. Such a long name, but this is worth saying because this foundation is absolutely amazing. This is a full coverage heavy duty foundation. It claims that it camouflages anything. And this is absolutely true. This can cover any mark, be it your blemishes, varicose vein, acne marks or dark circles. It can cover anything on your face and body. And I got this one with the recommendation of Komal Narang from My Happiness channel. She swear by this one and I got this one because of her, and I thanks to her because this is amazing product in my vanity right now. And the shade I'm using here is Rattan. I'll list it in the description box below in case you want to check it out. This has a yellow undertone to it and it can go on Indian skin tone very well. 10 on 10 again. So as I've not hauled any concealer, so I'm using my old concealer. This one is from Shuamera. This is an amazing concealer. This is equivalent to MAC Pro Long Wear. This one is not available in India. My husband got it from Germany, but I hope this can come to India soon. So as I'm looking quite white right now, so let's add a little warmth to the face. So I'm using the L'Oreal bronzer, the same old one. What I do is, my tip is, I actually make an inverted V on the sides of my face with the bronzing brush. That will make you look a little younger. Otherwise, chiseling your face can make you look older as well. So this is what I do. So now let's set all the hard work we have done so far. So I'm using MAC Studio Fix powder here. If you have this product in your vanity for summers, you are sorted. You don't need anything, man. This is the ultimate one product you should definitely have for summers. So the next thing I got is this MAC brow pencil. This is a roll-on pencil on one side and the spoolie on the other. And I like the shape of the pencil, the tip of the pencil. This is a very edgy shape which can fill your eyebrows in a very decent manner or a natural manner. And I think the Benefit Brow is better than this one. But if you're looking for something natural, then you should definitely go for this because it fills your eyebrows in a way that you will not feel you have applied any product on your eyebrows. So the spoolie which comes along with this is also really nice. It brushes your eyebrows really well. I like this one, and 9 on 10 to this product. So the next thing I got is this MAC blush, which is free with all the purchases I've done. So I like this free product too. This is not a matte blush, this is the Sheen Blush. The thing I'm explaining here is if you apply the blush in the center or the 90 degrees of your cheeks, you will look a little younger rather than swiping it away from your cheeks. So what I do is I put 2 layers in the center of my cheeks and only 1 layer on the sides of my cheeks. so this will make you look little natural. Next thing I got is this PAC liquid liner. I ran out of my present liners and all, so I wanted to buy a new one. So I got this one with the recommendation of Aishwarya Kaushal. She talks about this and she uses this on videos. I really liked it on her, so I wanted to give it a try, and wow, this is really a nice product. This has a really nice tip, really soft tip, glides on really nicely. If you have a hard time applying a liquid liners, if you find difficulty using it, you should definitely try this PAC liquid pen. You will learn it really quickly. So the next thing I got is these eyelashes from Huda Beauty and PAC. Also this GLAMGALS eye glue, which is black in color, and this color bar tweezers. I'm not at all a pro in putting on eyelashes. I've never done it before. I'm putting on eyelashes in front of this camera for the very first time. I've watched quite a few videos and I'm following those videos, and I think I've done a decent job. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And putting on eyelashes can really change your features and personality, I think. And these are the PAC eyelashes number 58, which are fluttery, feathery. I just love them. So the next thing I've got is this MAC Bold and Bad Lash Mascara. But before moving forward, let me just talk about the mascara. Look at it. This packaging is to die for. Bad and Bold is embossed all over. This is a dual chamber mascara, and it claims that this is a revolutionary mascara because it has lifted all my upper lashes which has got stuck to the fake ones in just single coat, man. This is crazy. And the wand is really thick and nice. Also, the wand for the lower lashes is really thin and precise. It won't smudge no matter what, whereas with the other mascaras I always feel this smudging thing with my lower lashes, but with this one, no. 10 on 10 for this. So the next thing I got is this Huda Beauty Bombshell. The formula is really lightweight. It mattifies after drying. This is a transfer proof lipstick. It is a long stay lipstick as well, and the shade is really nice. If you're someone who loves nudes, definitely get this one. This is a must have nude shade. Last thing I've got is this Sebamed Everyday Shampoo. This is my third or fourth bottle. Such an amazing shampoo, doesn't have any harsh chemicals in it. When I had so much of hair fall after pregnancy, this came into my rescue. So this is it, guys. I think you all find this video a quite useful one, and I have, due to my mic issues, I am going to put a voice recording. So this is it, guys. I've created this look using all those products which I've showed you, and you can share this video to all those who want to buy such products from Nykaa or any other website, so maybe they can find it useful. I have given you an honest review with the best of my knowledge, and if you find this video informative and useful, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell icon so you get notification every time I put a new video on, so that you'll not miss any of my videos. And if you like it, please hit the like button. And also, if you have any kind of suggestions, any kind of advices or anything you want to say, you can please leave it in the comment section below, and I will read it and get back to you guys. And also, if you have a video request, please do leave it in the comment sections below. And so this is it, guys. I will see you in the next one, and till then, you all stay beautiful, and bye.